The following BLTV program is brought to you by O'Flaherty Law. Please enjoy.
Welcome to Learn About Law. My name is Kevin O'Flaherty from O'Flaherty Law, and I hope you enjoy this video. If you need some help, feel free to give us a call at 563-503-6910. That's 563-503-6910. Thanks for watching.
Hello, I'm Gene Nassif, an attorney here at O'Flaherty Law. My practice areas include business transactional matters as well as some landlord-tenant issues. Now, today we're going to talk about simplifying the probate process in Iowa. Now, in Iowa, there are some laws that allow for shortcuts through the probate process for some smaller-sized estates. These rules make it easier for surviving family members to transfer property left by the deceased. In many circumstances, you may be able to transfer a majority of property by using these simple procedures and avoid the probate court altogether by using an affidavit. Now, what is a small estate simple affidavit? Iowa has procedures to allow those inheriting property to skip probate altogether if the value of the assets left by the deceased is below a certain sum. If they meet this threshold, all someone inheriting property will need to do is have an affidavit drafted stating that they are the entitled person to a certain asset. The affidavit must state the following amounts were paid or will be paid from the assets received. First, any debt owed to the Iowa Department of Human Services for benefits that the deceased person received, taxes due to the Iowa Department of Revenue, and finally any debts owed to creditors. Once this document is executed, the person inheriting the property will be able to go to the person or institution holding the property. For example, if there was a bank that had an account, going to that bank, present the affidavit as well as the death certificate, and then the property will be released to them. This process is limited in Iowa to only those who don't have real estate and if the gross value of the decedent's assets is under $50,000. Additionally, there is a 40-day waiting period after the decedent's passing before these affidavits can be filed. For more information, see Iowa Code 633.356. We'll next address the simplified probate process in Iowa. Iowa has a simplified probate process for these small estates. To qualify, the executor must file a written request with the local probate court requesting the simplified procedure. The court will then look over the estate documents and determine whether the assets can be distributed with this simplified process. In Iowa, this is limited to any estates where the gross value is under $100,000. Now, this request to the court must include the following information: the decedent's name, address, and date of passing, the name and address of the surviving spouse, if that's applicable, the name and relationship of each person inheriting the property, whether there was a will, and if there was, the date the will was executed, the name and address of the personal representative of the estate, and finally, a statement that shows that the gross estate is under $100,000. Now you can see Iowa Code 635.2 for more information about this simplified probate process. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at our firm. Thank you very much and have a nice day.
Hi, Kevin O'Flaherty again. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you need some help, please feel free to give us a call at 563-503-6910. That's 563-503-6910. We have many geographical locations for your convenience, and we practice several areas of law. Thanks again for watching.